Excuse me, sir, may I come in?
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, sir, may I come in?
Yes, please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Miss Nashra, right?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
You are quite hesitant, right?
Sorry.
It's first time. Excuse me, sir. May I come in, please?
Yes, sir. Yes,
आवाज एकदम
Yes,
clear,
sir.
right? Excuse me, sir. May I come in, please?
yes, sir.
No. Thank you, sir.
चोरी से चुप के मैंने चोरी से चुप के तिनका बुन के सपना एक बनाया.
I think that positive attitude is a skill, hard working is a skill. या इसके अलावा और भी कुछ स्किल्स है आपके पास?
Thank you for this water, but I don't want to drink.
को फिर आपको सेलेक्ट करके हमारी एयरलाइन का नुकसान हो जाएगा कि नहीं होगा? Why should I select you? What if you are not selected in this interview? What is your plan B?
You now, your co-host, just she's asking money from me. Why? I don't understand why. Because I paid already in my GCAT.
We are here for an interview, like which is mock interview, and this interview is for the purpose of actually testing yourself and testing you and testing your personality and communication skills. Because to crack cabin crew interview or air hostess interview, you need few things that's very, very important. You need an effective dynamic communication, a very insightful, thoughtful, mindful communication skill. You need the knowledge of hospitality. You need interpersonal skills. You need confidence. You need aura. You need great captivation and impatience. These all are required to crack a cabin crew interview. And overall, the most important part is actually your presence, how you are presenting yourself, right? So I will call you one by one. First of all, we will start with an entry, right? We'll start with an entry one by one to each and everybody, right? So first, Nikki, stand, take the mic and come from outside.
Excuse me, sir, may I come in?
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So when you are coming and when you are knocking the door, I think you are missing your smile. So you need to maintain that smile. You cannot lose that smile, right? So come once more. Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir, may I come in?
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
you're welcome.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So do you think that you closed the door in a right way because your back portion of the body was here this way and your front portion of the body was that way? So do you think that while closing the door your portion was okay?
No, sir.
So make it again, improve it.
Excuse me, sir, may I come in?
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Again, you close by giving the back side of the body, right?
Excuse me, sir, may I come in?
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Good morning.
Again, you close the gate. Now, I have told you so many times that what you need to do, you need to just turn your body here in front, then close the door. You cannot close the door by just giving a back side of your body, right? So, once more. This is the first impression. This is the entry. Entry should be dhasu, right? It should be very attractive. Come on, go.
Excuse me, sir, may I come in?
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग. अब आप दरवाज़ा बंद करने से पहले गुड मॉर्निंग बोल दिए, फिर दरवाज़ा बंद कर रही है. छोटी सी माइनर मिस्टेक है, लेकिन गलती तो गलती है. फिर से करिए.
Excuse me, sir, may I come in?
यस प्लीज.
Thank you, sir.
यू आर वेलकम.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग. मिस निकी झा, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Great. How are you, Nikki?
Yeah, I'm doing well, sir.
All right, that's interesting. So, are you comfortable today?
Yes, sir, I'm very comfortable.
Are you here for selection or rejection?
I'm here for selection.
Very nice. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Pass the mic to Nashra and please.
Excuse me, sir, may I come in?
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग. आप अपनी पर्सनैलिटी के हिसाब से एंट्री ले रही हैं, राइट? आया रे तूफान, भागा रे शैतान वाली, राइट? So what you need to do, you need to get a soft entry.
Okay.
Because it is hospitality. Hospitality में हमें एंट्री से लेकर बैठने से लेकर बात करते हुए दिखाना है we are soft. We are not here to show the physique, we are here to show the softness, right? Once again, दरवाजे को सॉफ्ट तरीके से खोलेंगे, धड़ से स्लैम नहीं करेंगे. Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I think you missed paying gratitude about when I give you the permission, you did not thank me actually, right?
Okay.
So once again.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Yes, please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Miss Nashra, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you say thank you while I allowed you?
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
No, you said to me thank you, or you forgot to say thank you?
I forgot.
You
Say
forgot.
thank you.
Once again. It's very important. You need to do it. Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Yes.
Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Miss Nashra, right?
Yes, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, great. So what is your purpose to be here?
Because I become a cabin crew. That's why.
You want to become a cabin crew.
Yes, sir.
That's why you are here. So are you confident or not confident?
Yes, of course. I am confident.
What is the reason behind your confidence?
Because of Abdullah, sir.
Oh my God. Okay. That is absolutely fine. Thank you. All right. So are you here for selection or rejection?
I'm from selection.
You are
I'm
from selection?
I'm here from selection.
From or for?
For.
You are here for selection. Very nice. Are you mentally powerful or physically powerful?
I'm both powerful.
Okay. Great. Please have a seat.
Thank you,
Pass
sir.
the mic to Muskan.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
You are quite hesitant, aren't you?
Sorry.
It's first time. Yes.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Oh, thank you. Good morning. साथ में नहीं बोलते हैं. थोड़ा रिलैक्स करते हैं, पॉज देते हैं. फिर से एक बार. Once more. Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Yes.
Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. ठीक है. चलो आपका दरवाज़ा आप लकी है कि ऑटोमेटिक है तो अपने से बंद हो गया. अगर दरवाज़ा ऑटोमेटिक नहीं होता तो आप तो आधे पे उसको छोड़ दी थी. राइट. फिर से आइए.
Okay.
आपको पता है या नहीं पता है कि दरवाज़ा ऑटोमेटिक है या नहीं है? वहाँ पता नहीं क्या हो. ऑटोमेटिक ना हो तो क्या करेंगे? व्हाट विल यू डू? यस प्लीज.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
यस.
Thank you. Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग मिस मुस्कान, राइट?
Yes, sir.
ऑलराइट. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मुस्कान?
Smile and happiness.
Smile and happiness. Where are you right now?
Happiness Institute.
Happiness Institute. So are you happy?
Yes.
What is the reason behind your smile?
Because my name is Muskan and I'm always happy.
Acha, your name is Muskan, you are always happy. Are you here for selection or rejection?
Selection.
Okay. Do you sing?
Yes.
Sing 2 lines. आपने बोला ना yes I sing, मैं गाती हूँ, तो आप गाइए 2 लाइन. Sing 2 lines.
Sir, which song?
Any song. That's your choice. You're open to go.
Sorry, I can't sing.
Sorry you can't, but I think you're denying. Earlier you said yes I sing, but now you're denying. I think you're not confident. Are you shy because of your song?
Yes, sir. I'm feeling very shy.
You're shy. तो अगर आप गाना गाने के लिए शर्मा रही हैं तो आप पैसेंजर कैसे हैंडल करेंगे? How will you handle passengers? आपको फ्लाइट में नौकरी मिल गई और पैसेंजर गाना गा रहा है, सीटी बजा रहा है, आपसे कुछ बदतमीज़ी कर रहा है, सवाल जवाब कर रहा है, नंबर मांग रहा है, कुछ भी कर रहा है, आप उसे हैंडल कैसे करेंगे? हाउ विल यू हैंडल? तो अगर आप शर्माएंगी, शर्म तो गड़बड़ चीज़ है ना. यू कैन नॉट शाई है. तो आप क्या करेंगी? या तो आप ये बोलो कि आप गाना गाती ही नहीं हो तो कोई बात नहीं, और अगर आपने बोल दिया गाना गाती हैं आप तो फिर आपको तो डिफेंड करना होगा अपने आप को. बताइए क्या करेंगे?
Okay, but sir, I'm actually sing the songs.
You sing the song, na? So you sing now? Can you sing or not?
No, sir.
No? You can't sing. You shy because of these people or who? क्या आपको लगता है कि आपकी आवाज़ फटी हुई बास है? आवाज़ अच्छी नहीं है? क्या है? कैसा है? क्या है?
नहीं सर, वॉइस अच्छी है.
तो फिर क्यों नहीं गा रही? आपकी आवाज़ भी अच्छी है, आपको गाना आता भी है और गाती भी हैं आप, फिर भी नहीं गा रही है. इसका
But
क्या मतलब?
recently I forgot all the songs.
Can you help with the lyrics?
पहले से ज़्यादा.
मेरे ख्याल से आप गा नहीं रही है, आप ऐसा लग रहा है पोइट्री पढ़ रही हैं या दोहा चौपाई पढ़ रही हैं. आप सच में गा रही हैं? नहीं. तो आप इसका मतलब कि गाने के लिए आपके अंदर शाइनेस है, शर्म है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes.
इसको तोड़िए अभी, गाइए, खुल के गाइए. सिंग सिंग ब्लंटली. कोई आपको जज नहीं कर रहा, कोई नहीं देख रहा है, कोई नहीं सुन रहा है, और ये तो पूरी दुनिया सुन रही है और जो आपकी फ़ैन है. जीने लगा हूँ, राइट? यू सिंग लाइक दैट. कम ऑन, गो.
Sorry, sir. Can I skip this?
You want to escape this situation? All right, no problem. You have a seat.
Thank
Okay.
you.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग। ये इतना सोच क्या रहे हैं आप?
Yes, sir.
किसी बात का टेंशन और गम?
Yes, sir. Yes,
नहीं, फिर से आइए। कम वंस मोर।
yes, sir. May I come in, sir?
यस प्लीज।
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग। आपका दिमाग कहीं और है?
No, sir.
पक्का यहीं पे है पूरा?
Yes, sir. Yes,
ठीक है। मेरा नाम क्या है? व्हाट्स माय नेम?
sir. Loknath Rao.
मेरा नाम लोकनाथ रावत।
Oh, sir. आप कैसे?
हाँ?
Your sir. Sir, I don't know, sir.
नो नो।
Yes, sir.
आपको अपने एचआर का इंटरव्यूअर का नाम नहीं पता?
Yes, sir.
पहले से आती है लिस्ट इंटरव्यूअर की ना, कि नहीं? बताया नहीं जाता है।
नहीं, sir. Sir.
तो अपडेट नहीं था आपको कि इंटरव्यूअर कौन है?
Yes, sir. May
यस प्लीज।
I come in, sir?
यस।
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
आपकी शादी हो गई है?
No, sir.
नहीं हुई है।
No, sir.
तो फिर आप दुल्हन जैसा बर्ताव क्यों कर रहे हैं? आपको लो टोन जो है, लो टोन को हाई टोन में करना होगा। आवाज़ इतनी लानी है, टोन इतनी लानी है कि आपकी आवाज़ इंटरव्यूअर तक साफ साफ पहुँचे।
Yes, sir.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, may I come in प्लीज?
Yes, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू सर।
Yes, sir.
इज्जत करनी है इंटरव्यूअर की, लेकिन आवाज़ दबा के नहीं। आवाज़ दबा के इंटरव्यू करें, इज्जत करेंगे, सामने वाला सोचेगा आप डर रहे हैं।
Yes, sir.
फिर से आइए और आवाज़ मेरे तक एकदम साफ पहुँचनी चाहिए।
Yes, sir. Yes.
गो। यस प्लीज।
May I come in, sir?
यस।
Sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, good morning, sir.
ऐसा लग रहा है जो आप बोल रहे हो ना, तो उसको ऐसा शर्म में बोल रहे हो, दब के बोल रहे हो। जब कोई चीज़ हम बोल रहे हैं, एक्सक्यूज मी सर, may I come in प्लीज?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आवाज़ एकदम क्लियर, राइट? एक्सक्यूज मी सर, may I come in प्लीज?
Yes, sir.
नाउ थैंक यू सर, नाउ यू कम एंड क्लोज द गेट, राइट?
Yes, sir.
नाउ द गेट इज क्लोज। गुड मॉर्निंग सर। गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Yes, sir.
जब उनको बोलेंगे कोई चीज़ तो उनकी आंखों में देख के बोलना है।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर ऐसे नहीं,
No, sir.
थैंक यू सर ऐसे नहीं, राइट? वंस अगेन गो।
Excuse me, sir. May I come in, sir?
यस प्लीज।
Thank you, sir.
यू आर वेलकम।
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning. You shall Loknath, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is your plan of Parlok?
Sir, I want, sir, my aviation.
You want to go Parlok?
Yes, sir.
आप परलोक जाना चाहते हैं?
Yes, sir.
परलोक मतलब जानते हैं? परलोक सिधार गए हैं, मतलब ब्रह्मा जी ले गए हैं।
Sir, no, sir. No,
So
sir.
do you want to go परलोक? परलोक जाना है आपको?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. Where do you want to go? कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं आप, लोकनाथ जी?
Sir, I'm from Odisha, sir.
You're from उड़ीसा, आप उड़ीसा से। Do you understand हिंदी? हिंदी समझ में आती है आपको?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो
Yes,
आप
sir.
जाना कहाँ चाहते हैं? कहाँ पहुँचना चाहते हैं? कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं?
सर हम ग्राउंड क्लास के लिए सर
हाँ?
ग्राउंड क्लास के लिए सर प्रिपरेशन करते हैं।
नहीं समझ में आया, फिर से एक बार।
सर हमारा जो ग्राउंड क्लासेस है एविएशन में,
हाँ,
तो सर
आप
hospitality
ग्राउंड
में, सर-
स्टाफ में जाना चाहते
Yes,
हैं?
sir, yes,
आप
sir.
ग्राउंड स्टाफ में जाना
Yes, sir,
चाहते हैं,
yes,
राइट?
yes,
ओके, दैट्स
Yes,
फाइन।
sir.
तो आप तैयार हैं उसके लिए?
Yes, sir.
प्लीज हैव अ सीट, बैठिए।
Thank
सो आर यू ऑल रेडी? सब तैयार हैं?
Yes, sir.
सो आई वांट इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी वन, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम मिस्टर लोकनाथ।
Yes, sir.
प्लीज हैव अ सीट एंड इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Sir, I'm Loknath from Odisha. I am completed my +3 graduation in Diploma Electrical Engineering. So I want to share in aviation ground classes. So in this मैंने preparation for in this.
ओके, आपका हाथ जो रब हो रहा है उसको कंट्रोल करेंगे, राइट?
sir.
हेजिटेशन है, बहुत डर में है आप।
Yes,
डर कंट्रोल करिए। पास द माइक टू निकी।
Good morning, sir. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Nikki Jha. I belong to Bihar and currently I'm staying in Delhi. As far as my qualification is concerned, I have completed
क्वालिफिकेशन और क्वालिफिकेशन,
qualification.
वेरी गुड।
Qualification is concerned, I have completed my intermediate from Intermediate High School, Nogachia. Currently, I'm preparing for air hostess interview. As far if I talk about my skills, I'm multitasking person. I'm good listener. I am good at dancing, dress designing. Apart from it, I'm interested in dancing, singing, music.
You are interested in dancing, singing, music. Sing 2 lines.
चोरी से चुप चुप के मैंने चोरी से चुप के तिनका बुन के सपना एक बनाया। सपने रे सपने रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे हो जाना रे. That's
Very
it.
good, fantastic, बहुत अच्छे, very nice. You tried well. That's fantastic. May I get your introduction, Nashra?
Okay. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm talking about myself. So my name is Nashra, and I had completed my graduation from last year, and I had also completed my PTT, primary teacher training. And I'm talking about my family. So I have 6 members in my family, and I'm talking about my skills. So I'm positive attitude. I'm hardworking person,
आपके
and
skills, ये skills हैं.
uh,
You think that positive attitude is a skill, hard working is a skill, या इसके अलावा और भी कुछ skills है आपके पास?
I have confident.
You are confident.
Yeah,
और
I have.
confidence is a skill. Confidence skill है या क्या है? Confidence तो एक attitude है. Skill क्या है आपके पास? ऐसे आप कहीं पे जाके किसी कंपनी में बोलेंगे I am confident, मैं confident हूँ, ये मेरी स्किल है, मुझे इसके बिहाफ पे जॉब दे दीजिए. तो कॉन्फिडेंट तो ये भी हो सकता है कि वही मर्डर करने वाला भी कॉन्फिडेंट होता है किसी का मर्डर. जैसे मेरे पास मान लो सलमान साहब के पास यहाँ पे वीडियोग्राफी की क्या है स्किल है, राइट, ये वीडियोग्राफी करते हैं तो ये स्किल है. मेरी क्या कम्युनिकेशन स्किल है. आपकी स्किल क्या, आपको नॉलेज किस चीज़ का है?
I have good quality to leadership.
तो लीडरशिप इज योर स्किल एंड क्वालिटी और स्किल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्वालिटी, कॉन्फिडेंस, स्किल. स्किल मतलब होता है कुशलता, और कुशलता का मतलब होता है परिपूर्णता हिंदी में बोले तो. इसका ये मतलब होता है एक्सपर्टीज़ इन समथिंग, किसी चीज़ में एक्सपर्टीज़ हासिल करना. इसीलिए सरकार ने क्या योजना लाई, PMKY, प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना, जहाँ पे स्किल डेवलपमेंट सिखाते थे. सिलाई, बुनाई, कढ़ाई, कटाई, ऑल दीज आर स्किल्स, राइट. तो क्या स्किल है आपके पास?
Actually, I'm confused right now.
कंफ्यूज राइट
Yeah.
नाउ. मेरा इंटरव्यू कंफ्यूजन के लिए ही होता है, राइट. सिंपल तो होता नहीं, मैं सिंपल. ओके ठीक है. व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज?
My hobbies are so I'm talking about my hobbies. So I love to singing a song, and I love to also reading a book.
You love to read or you love to reading?
Read a book.
Okay.
I love to read a book.
Which book are you reading these days?
It's a normal book like GK, and it's normal
What is
for
full-
my communication skill.
What is full form of GK?
General knowledge.
And what is full form of GS?
GS, general science.
जनरल साइंस बोल सकते हैं, वैसे तो होती है जनरल स्टडीज.
General studies and general science.
दिल्ली में एक जगह है जिसको हम GK बोलते हैं, वो कौन सी जगह है? देयर इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस इन दिल्ली, साउथ दिल्ली में एक जगह है जिसको हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में GK बोलते हैं. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल जगह है, बड़ी बड़ी कोठियाँ, हवेलियाँ, बंगलो बने हुए हैं. एंड व्हाट इज़ दैट प्लेस?
I don't know.
यू डोंट नो?
No.
एनीवन कैन आंसर हियर? ग्रेटर कैलाश का नाम सुना है आपने?
Yeah.
GK बोलते हैं उसको.
Greater Kailash.
ग्रेटर कैलाश इज कॉल्ड GK. ठीक है. आपने कहा यू सेड दैट योर हॉबी इज सिंगिंग आल्सो.
Yeah.
सो सिंग 2 लाइन्स.
I sing. Can I sing the cartoon song?
Yes, you can. Pass the mic to Muskan. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Thank
morning.
you to giving me this opportunity to introduce myself.
You're welcome.
This is Muskan. I am from Bihar but currently live in Delhi, Mahipalpur. And there are 5 members in my family. And recently I am pursuing graduation BA third year from Delhi University. I am very hardworking, problem solving, and my hobbies cooking, dancing, and traveling.
Cooking, dancing, traveling.
Traveling.
Singing हटा दिया. तो ऐसे जब सिचुएशन क्रिएट होगी तो एक एक हॉबी हटाती जाओगे. अगर कोई बोल दे चलो एक रेसिपी बताओ, टेल मी अ रेसिपी, तो आप बोलोगे अब से मेरी कुकिंग भी हॉबी ख़त्म हो गई. ट्रैवलिंग आपकी हॉबी है?
Yes.
विच प्लेस डिड यू ट्रैवल लास्ट टाइम? कौन से प्लेस ट्रैवल किए थे लास्ट टाइम?
Last time Bihar.
बिहार. तो बिहार भी आप ट्रैवल करती हैं? यू ट्रैवल
Last time वही गई थी.
लास्ट टाइम वहीं गई थी. तो हाउ वाज बिहार? बिहार कैसा था?
Bihar is very beautiful and more adventuring.
ब्यूटीफुल और ब्यूटीफुल?
Beautiful.
ब्यूटीफुल, ओके. एंड एडवेंचरस ऑल्सो. विच प्लेस ऑफ बिहार डिड यू गो? कौन से जगह गई थी बिहार में आप? आप लास्ट टाइम ही गई थी बिहार और एक जगह गई थी और वो जगह भी भूल गई, तो आप हमारे पैसेंजर को कैसे याद रखेंगे जब आप जगह ही भूल गई जिस जगह गई थी?
सर एक्चुअली बहुत सारी जगह विजिट किए थे हम, मंदिर वगैरह, शीतला
तो कोई
माता
लोकेशन
मंदिर।
का नाम तो रहा होगा। हमारा पैसेंजर आपसे मांगेगा नॉनवेज बिरयानी और आप जो है ला के उसे पनीर दे देंगे, तो कैसे काम चलेगा बताइए? क्योंकि आप भूल जाएंगे, यू विल फॉरगेट, राइट? बताइए, आपको जगह भूल गए, उससे पहले की जगह याद है? डू यू रिमेंबर द प्रीवियस टू प्रीवियस प्लेस? यू डोंट रिमेंबर, आपको कोई जगह याद नहीं। दिल्ली में कहीं ट्रैवल किया आपने, कहीं गई हैं?
दिल्ली में गुड़गांव,
गुड़गांव गई हैं,
एम्बियंस मॉल
एम्बियंस मॉल,
एंड साइबर सिटी।
साइबर सिटी, ठीक है, वेरी नाइस। साइबर सिटी में सबसे खास क्या है? व्हाट इज़ द मोस्ट स्पेशल इन साइबर सिटी?
मोर स्पेशल्स, क्लब्स एंड कैफेज।
तो क्लब्स, आप यू हैव गॉन टू द क्लब,
नो।
कैफेज हैव यू गॉन?
या।
कौन से कैफे गई? यू डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम, आपको नाम भी याद नहीं है कैफे का।
यस सर, आई
आप सारी चीज़ें भूल जा रही हैं, मतलब आप अपना ये दिखा रही हैं कि आप सब कुछ भूल जाती हैं, तो कल को आप हमारे पैसेंजर को भूल जाएंगे, राइट? पैसेंजर की प्रॉब्लम भूल जाएंगे, पैसेंजर की एक्सपेक्टेशंस भूल जाएंगे, उनकी
sir.
सेफ्टी को भूल जाएंगे कि उन्हें कब ऑक्सीजन मास्क देना है और या उन्हें पैराशूट कब देना है, राइट? तो याद रहेगा कुछ आपको, फिर आपको सेलेक्ट करके हमारी एयरलाइन का नुकसान हो जाएगा कि नहीं होगा?
नो सर,
हो जाएगा ना?
नो सर, नहीं होगा।
मुझे आपको क्यों सेलेक्ट करना चाहिए एक्चुअली? आपको मैं क्यों सेलेक्ट करूं? आप 3 रीजंस दीजिए, 3 वजह बताइए। गिव मी 3 रीजंस व्हाई शुड आई सेलेक्ट यू?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट।
यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट, इतनी
And-
कॉन्फिडेंट कि पैसेंजर को खुदा दे बिना पैराशूट के?
नो सर।
ठीक है, यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट एंड
And I know how to handle angry peoples and speak
यू नो
polite.
हाउ टू हैंडल पीपल, आपको लोगों को हैंडल करने आता है?
Yes sir,
ठीक
and
है,
I
हैंडल
speak
मी, आप
polite.
मुझे हैंडल करिए। आई विल नॉट वियर द मास्क, मैं मास्क नहीं पहनूंगा, ऑक्सीजन मास्क। आई विल नॉट वियर ऑक्सीजन मास्क, व्हाट विल यू डू? मुझे नहीं पहनना मास्क वगैरह, मैं ठीक है, मैं सांस ले रहा हूँ, बट वहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन का इशू आया हुआ है और इंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया हार्डली कि सबको मास्क पहनना है फ्लाइट में, और मैं नहीं पहन रहा हूँ। आई एम अ वेरी रिजिड पैसेंजर, हैंडल करिए।
Okay. So sir, actually I need to wear this mask.
यू नीड टू वियर द मास्क और आई नीड टू वियर द
Actually, you need to wear this mask for oxygens and your
मास्क। आई
safety.
एम गेटिंग फुल ऑक्सीजन, आई डोंट नीड एनी मास्क, प्लीज डोंट फोर्स मी।
Sir, your safety purpose, you want
नो,
to.
आई एम सेफ, आई एम सेफ, आई एम ओके, मुझे मास्क नहीं लगाना, मुझे मास्क से एलर्जी है, प्लीज़ मैम डोंट फोर्स मी।
Sir, please try to understand. You need to wear this mask for your safety.
Ma'am, I have told you many times, I don't need this mask. This is just a cloth, ma'am. I am fit and fine. My lungs are quite strong. I can breathe. I can have the oxygen. Please don't worry. चलिए, तीसरी क्वालिटी बताइए, क्यों सेलेक्ट करूं मैं आपको?
I don't know.
Okay. Tell me 3 qualities, Nashra, that why should I select you? Tell me 3 reasons.
Okay, I have 3 qualities. I have confident.
You have confident or you are confident?
I am confident.
Okay.
I am confident, and I am.
Hardworking.
Yes, I am hardworking, and I have personality. You have required. You have required that I have personality that like this.
You have personality and you are confident
Yes.
and you are hardworking.
Yes.
तो फ्लाइट में सर्विस देनी है, ना कि फ्लाइट के चक्के को उठाना है। सो यू थिंक दैट हार्ड वर्किंग विल गिव यू द बेस्ट? हार्ड वर्किंग होना ज़रूरी है हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में।
And hardworking and polite also.
यू आर पोलाइट,
Yes.
आर यू श्योर यू आर पोलाइट? आप पोलाइट हैं?
Yes, sir. I'm sure.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर प्लीज।
Yes, sir. This is your water.
ओके, एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
Yes, sir.
अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर प्लीज।
Yes, sir. This is the tray and the water.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
Yes, sir.
अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर प्लीज।
Yes, I have water. take it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please, a glass of water.
Sir, take this. This is a water.
Excuse me, can I have a cold water?
Yeah,
of
of
cold water?
course. I have cold water.
Okay,
What do you
please.
want? Cold water and hot water? Are you decide?
I'm sorry.
Are you decide hot water and cold water?
No, I have decided that I want cold water.
Okay, sir.
So could you offer me cold water?
Yes, of course, sir.
All right. Please pick a glass and offer to Nikki.
Okay.
Pick a glass. I said, no pick tray, just pick a glass and offer to Nikki.
Thank you for this water, but I don't want to drink.
Okay.
You're not speaking anything.
But she is not want to water. That's
She does
why.
not want water.
Yeah.
Pick a glass of water and offer to Muskan.
Okay.
I need hot one.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. This is your hot water.
Sorry, but currently I don't know.
Okay, it's okay, ma'am.
All right. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you have proved that you are so polite,
Yes,
so
sir.
tolerant, right? So bearing. Okay. And you told me third reason that
I have personality. You have required that type of personality.
what kind of personality do you have? किस तरीके की personality है आपका?
That have required to be a cabin crew. That type
What-
of personality.
What type of personality is required in cabin crew? Cabin crew में किस तरीके की personality required है?
It's a polite nature and of course it's a confident.
Are you confident?
Yes, sir. I am confident.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I'm sure.
Very nice. Nikki, tell
Thank
me
you,
the,
sir.
Thank you so much. Tell me the 3 reasons why should I select you actually.
Okay, you should select me because I am polite, I am friendly, I have a good customer service skill.
You have a good customer service
Yes,
skill.
sir.
So for example, I'm your customer, right? And I am saying to you that, ma'am, please stop this flight. ये flight रोक दीजिए. I need to vacate. I need to evacuate. Please stop the flight. Ma'am, flight रोकिए, मुझे उतरना है.
Okay. Sir, why you want to stop this flight?
I feel very, very panicked. I don't know what is happening with me. My BP is getting so high and low, and I'm so much impulsed actually today. So please stop the flight. I want to go out.
Okay, sir, I will try to resolve your problem. Please calm down,
So
sir.
you will stop the flight, ma'am.
No, sir.
Yes.
I will resolve the problem, sir.
You will
and
solve the problem, or you will resolve the problem.
resolve the problem.
Okay.
And here is a doctor. I will contact if there is doctor is available on flight. So I will contact with them. If possible, I will give my best.
Okay. So you will give your best, you think,
Yes,
yes, right? Okay. That is absolutely fine. So yeah. And you told me that you have great customer service skill, right? You know?
Yes, sir.
So that is absolutely fine. I want to understand from you that yes, I'm saying that please stop the flight. I want to go out. I want to just step out. Come on, please.
Okay, sir, don't be panic. Please be calm. And we are trying to resolve the problem. We will contact and we will do announce if there is doctor available on flight, then they will must be do your help. If there is no doctor in this flight, so we have our senior crew. They have the knowledge how to manage these things. So we will contact with them.
No, the point is that I don't need any doctor. I need an emergency evacuation. I want to just step out of this flight right now. I don't want to travel. I don't want to go anywhere. Please stop this flight and I want to get out.
Okay, sir. Sir, we can't stop this flight because here is lots of
I will
people.
jump with parachute, okay? If you don't
No,
stop the flight, I will jump.
No, sir, you can't do this
Why not? I can't do this.
because if you, it is not good for you and for this flight too because of you there is lots of
But you, the air hostess,
passenger.
you don't understand my problem actually.
Yes, sir,
I've
I
been
can.
telling you my problem for a long time, but you don't understand that.
Yes, sir, I can understand, but you choose to
Can I
travel.
smoke here?
No, you can't.
Can I smoke?
You can't.
Where is the smoking zone?
You can't do smoke on.
No, but I want
on
to
the flight.
smoke. Tell me, where can I smoke?
Sir, if you do like this, then we have to take some action against you.
You
sir.
what kind of action you will take? You will be put me out? आप मुझे फ्लाइट के बाहर कर दोगी तो कर दो.
No, sir.
You want to
here
take
is-
action? So
we
take
will-
the action and put me out of the flight.
We will talk to our captain and senior crew. They will must take some action against you. It will not good for you.
I am addicted of smoking. So I am habitual of smoking. I need to smoke right now.
You can't do, sir.
Can I go to the lavatory and smoke there?
No, sir.
So can I drink
No.
water?
It is not.
Water you're not allowing me to drink at first.
You can take water, but you can't do smoke while.
Can I drink
Yes.
wine?
No, you can't drink wine. You can take water, sir.
I can take water.
Yes, sir.
Who will offer me the water?
I will offer you water, sir.
That's fine. And you told me other reasons to select you actually?
I'm polite and friendly.
You're polite and friendly. And the third reason you told?
Good customer service.
No, the good customer service, what I was dealing with. And you said that you are very polite and friendly. And the
Yes.
third reason I want to ask to you.
I have a good customer service.
Good customer
skills.
service skill, polite and friendly. And what about the third reason?
Third, I have already explained.
Please
three.
explain me chronologically one by one.
Polite, friendly, and
Polite, friendly, one or two?
polite, friendly, and
Polite,
good customer
friendly.
service.
You are taking it
skills.
two. Polite, one. Friendly, two. Good customer service skill, three.
Yes.
These are three your qualities, and three reasons are there to select you. All right. What if Indigo is giving you 50,000 a month and Akasa is giving you 70,000 a month? Where would you like to go?
Okay, sir. It is not depend on salary.
Hmm.
I will go to who is the best airline.
Which is the best airline?
Indigo is the best airline. It is #1 airline in India.
No, why do you think so? Because when there was a problem, so Indigo was facing a lot of challenges. Like Indigo was not able to take off and not able to serve the people and passengers.
Yeah, sir. But that was a short time problem.
Hmm.
Now it has resolved, and
Resolve or resolved?
resolved.
Hmm.
And we can take flight, and it has completely changed the process. Like there is no any delay. There is you have to wait not 1 hour, 15 minute, 20 minute, but it is not delayed. It is not cancelled. And I want to join Indigo because they are providing best training to their crew.
They are providing best training to their
Yes.
crew. Are you definitely 100% sure?
Yes, sir.
That's very nice. All right. Okay. Pass the mic to Mr. Loknath. Mr. Loknath, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me 3 reasons to select you, dear.
Sir, I want help for peoples in indigenous peoples.
थोड़ा साफ बोलेंगे.
Sir, I want to help indigenous peoples for.
You want to help business
communities.
people.
Yes, sir.
आप बिजनेसमैन लोगों की हेल्प करना चाहते हैं.
बिजनेस सर जो हमारे साथ जो यस सर और सर जो
तो बिजनेसमैन लोगों की हेल्प
लॉकेट्स
करिए, फिर आप एडवाइजर बनिए. होटल में जॉब क्यों चाहते हैं आप?
सर लॉकेट्स वगैरह सब बैग्स वगैरह सब
नहीं आपकी आवाज़ फिर नहीं क्लियर हुई है. आप जोर से बोलिए.
सर थोड़ा हेल्प करना चाहते हैं सर लोगों को सर सब
आपकी आवाज़ नहीं पहुंच पा रही मेरे तक.
सर आई वांट टू हेल्प एनी पीपल्स
यू वांट टू हेल्प पीपल. लोगों की
sir.
मदद करना
Yes,
चाहते हैं.
sir.
फिर आपको
Sir.
नेता बनना चाहिए.
यस नो सर
अगर लोगों की मदद करनी है तो नेता बनिए,
यस सर
या तो एक्टिंग करके अभिनेता बनिए.
नो सर
आप होटल में आके लोगों की कैसे मदद करेंगे? होटल में तो आएंगे तो आप तो लोगों का जेब लूटेंगे.
नो
Right?
सर नो सर
आप तो लोगों से 2000-3000 की बिल फड़वाएंगे.
No,
तो आप
sir.
लोगों
No,
की
sir.
मदद कैसे करेंगे?
नो सर
राइट. एक जो नॉर्मल चाय बनती है 25 रुपए में,
Yes,
आप
sir.
उसका 500 चार्ज करेंगे और आप कह रहे लोगों की मदद करेंगे. आप
नो सर
कैसे मदद करेंगे बताइए? हाउ विल यू हेल्प टू पीपल?
सर हॉस्पिटलिटी में सर सब जो डिजेस पीपल्स के सर
सॉरी.
ये जो हॉस्पिटलिटी में सर जो डिजेस पीपल्स है जो नॉट वेलकिंग और सर देन सर ट्रैवलिंग कर सकता हूँ सर
नहीं, क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है.
यस सर
हिंदी आपकी साफ है?
यस सर
पक्का? तो साफ बोलिए फिर.
सर हमारे जो एविएशन में सर जो ग्राउंड स्टाफ वगैरह जो सब वो बैग वैग सर सब वो मैंने लेना आना करते हैं सर सब जो फ्लाइट में वहीं सर सब वो ग्राउंड स्टाफ के लिए जो सब हॉस्पिटलिटी में सर सब जो डिजेस पीपल है वहीं से सर थोड़ा हेल्प करना चाहता हूँ सर
ठीक है. ऑलराइट. ओके.
Sir.
ओके. Nikki, tell me, what if
sir.
you are not selected in this interview? What is your plan B?
Okay, sir. If I will not select in this interview, so I will take it my Like I will take it from my motivation. Like I have done this kind of preparation of for myself, but I haven't done my interview. I haven't selected in this interview. So I will do more and more prepare for the next interview.
Prepare for the next interview.
Yes.
Nashra, what is your plan B?
So if I not selected in this interview, so I am practicing more for myself, and I will preparing for next interview.
We will prepare for next interview. What about you? Come on, you tell me.
If I am not selected in this interview, so I will prepare more and practicing to
That's
next.
great. So are you hopeful that you will be selected next time?
What's so sorry?
Are you hopeful that you will be selected next time?
50-50.
50-50. You're not sure about it. So you will not be selected or you will be selected. You don't have the positive attitude for yourself.
So I want to be selected.
You want to be selected, but will you be selected? So are you giving an interview or you are sitting in the marriage hall? Your
Interview.
posture, right? Posture is not allowed. This posture is not allowed in the interview,
Sorry.
right? Yes. You cannot do the cross-legging. If you do the cross-legging, then this is a different pattern of that cross-leg, right? Okay?
Okay.
So Muskan, tell me, what if interviewer ask you, or like if I ask you that if I hire you or if I give you this job, what will be my benefits? अगर मैं आपको ये नौकरी देता हूँ तो मेरा क्या फ़ायदा होगा या हमारा क्या फ़ायदा होगा? तो फिर हम आपको नौकरी क्यों दें? हमारा कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. Come on.
I don't know, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. You are going good, but I think आप सब लोग अभी नौसिखिया हैं. आपको बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट की ज़रूरत है. You need more and more improvement, right? देखिए, जब तक आप सही से जवाब नहीं दे पाएंगे तब तक आपका चांस ऑफ सिलेक्शन 0 है. जवाब देना है, उसमें 2 चीज़ें चाहिए, आपकी कम्युनिकेशन प्लस आपका माइंड. दैट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ अकॉर्डिंगली. ठीक है, अभी ये नॉर्मल हो गया. अब हम एक सिचुएशनल इंटरव्यू करेंगे. किसी तरीके की सिचुएशन आ जाती है तो उसे आप कैसे हैंडल करेंगे, राइट? सो बी रेडी. वी आर स्टार्टिंग इन 3 to 4 minutes.
Please do it, right? Because I don't feel comfortable in it. I feel very congested here. Please do learn.
Actually, I was told that I will be getting complimentary breakfast.
But there's no complimentary breakfast, right? You now, your co-host, just she's asking money from me. Why? I don't understand why. Because I paid already in my ticket.
Oh, okay, sir. I'm contact with my soul partner, and they know they use money for county respect.
So what I need to do, like, मुझे पैसा इस नाश्ते का देना है या मुझे ये नाश्ता फ्री में मिलेगा?
Yes, sir. This breakfast is only for free because it is income complimentary. You do not have.
She was asking me money actually.
I will ask her why she say.
You contact her. Please ask and confirm.
Okay, sir.
Sure. Please ask why is she asking money from me? I don't understand this.
Okay, I will try.
Please confirm. I'm waiting here.
Yes, you are saying for passenger to a complimentary food pay. Can you tell me the seat? That's the seat number is 216. Okay, then so that was not included in calculation, and we had to the food charges according to package. So we can't very. We have to take extra charge because he asked it stitch. Okay, but ma'am, he is also saying the hungry materials are free of cost, and no, but it is out of complimentary. We have already provided, which is free, which is included in ESCO. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. The complimentaries are free of cost, but you have you want another food. So if you pay for another.
I need to pay what?
Yes.
Come on, please. Why was it mentioned in my interview? Sorry, not in interview, in my ticket actually, that I would be getting free of cost meal. It was mentioned meal. So when is my meal?
At the complimentary meal is a
What? She provided me only a pouch of kaju, roasted kaju. And she gave me kaju. What was the kaju meal? Was the kaju meal final meal that you were calling it coffee?
That was only breakfast. You were asked for breakfast. After some time, I provided.
In my ticket, it was mentioned meat is complimentary. Meat is complimentary. Where is my meal? Come have me.
The meal part of only for Kakitika such penalty such and they want. So if you want more after me, so you have to.
Send her. I want to talk to her. Actually.
Okay, sir.
What is she doing, Martina? She gave me only kaju ka packet. She gave me only kaju ka packet, and she's calling that full meal and complete meal. That was not complete meal. Please.
Can you, sir, calm down? I will talking just my co-partner.
Excuse me. What did you offer? Did you offer me only kaju ka packet, right?
No, sir. I'm not providing breakfast, which is included in Turkey.
What was in that? Was only a sandwich and a kaju ka packet. Sandwich and kaju ka packet. Was it like a meal? You calling sandwich a meal?
No, sir. Here is a right of breakfast. In the breakfast, we are providing that. After some time, we providing meat.
But in the ticket, it was mentioned complete meal. So will you provide me meal, complimentary meal?
Yeah. Complimentary meal I will provide you, but it is the first you have to take. It is a starter.
You will provide. Thank you so much. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was told that my flight will be directly going to USA, right? But now it is just having a layoff at Singapore airport. And why is it so? Like it was a direct flight to USA, but now it is laying off at Singapore airport. I don't understand. What is this? Could you explain? फिर सिंगापुर क्यों रुक रही है जब डायरेक्ट अमेरिका जा रही है टिकट पे मेंशन था अमेरिका जा रही है बताइए
So actually this is like is also like a Singapore.
Why? क्यों? Without any update? मैं तो डायरी की यूएसए की फ्लाइट बुक किया 65,000 वाज द टिकट प्राइस 65,000 में मैंने टिकट प्राइस दिया और जब सिंगापुर में मुझे 18 घंटा करना पड़ा
Okay, so next we are connected my CES.
प्लीज कनेक्ट एंड रिजॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम मैंने तो 65,000 दिया ना मुझे अगर ले ऑफ पता होगा तो मैं 45,000 का टिकट किया होता जब मुझे बता रहा सिंगापुर में रुकेगी फ्लाइट और भी खारा रखते 18 आवर्स यू कैन इमेजिन
Okay, sir, I will next. Please calm down and you need to take any sickness and
Please resolve my problems. I'm very much in my impulsive.
okay, please see with the second.
Yes.
Actually, we also very easily type. Sorry, sir. Currently, we are at danger flighting Singapore.
So, like you're landing in Singapore, that is fine because of the weather issue, right? I would understand like how much time will it be there, and after how much time will it again take off for the US?
Like is late at like from 0 to high parks.
4 to 5 hours. 4 to 5 hours? You have no coordination with your team members. You are saying something, she's saying something. What is this? What is the clarity? Please.
Sir, actually, I comment.
Please confirm and tell me the exact time.
Sir, actually, this flight is really on you 2 hours.
It's only for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, it will be taking off, right?
Uh,
That's great. Thank you so much for an update, right? I'm very excited to go. Okay. Feels go. See. Thank you. All right, everyone. So you seem to be okay. Just tell me what is your overall observation. अपनी दो big face बताइए आज की इंटरव्यू के बाद.
I have observed myself. I have lots of words, but I did not getting to how I connect to a second language for English. And my second weakness is I'm trying my best, but the confusion and the little bit I can shivering.
Shirin is
Should be
right. 2 weaknesses you have observed and found, right?
Yes.
What are they?
I think I felt like I was feeling too much nervousness. After that, I feel comfortable, and then sometimes I stuck in some word.
All right. What about 2 weaknesses that you found?
and your pets. All right.
See, overall, the observation of this interview at Daituchetto, that you have made a lot of mistakes you have made into English communication and grammar. That's what you need to improve actually. It's very, very important. The second, you need to understand that you need to be very frequent, fluent, proficient in your application. Because there is situational question, technical question, hypothetical question, emergency question, general question, self-awareness question, or kind of any confusion question, you need to answer that, right? And one more thing, whatever you tell as your hobby and strength, you need to defend it. अगर आपने कुछ भी अपनी रुचि जगा दी है तो आपको वो करना पड़ेगा, आप भाग नहीं सकते, cannot escape it. इसीलिए वही हॉबी बताइए जो सच में आप करते हैं. कुछ लोग कहते हैं आपका हॉबी रट लेते हैं, आई डांस इट और सिंगिंग, अब उसकी म्यूजिक बजा दें डांस. वैसे तो ऐसा होता नहीं भाई केस. उसने कहा गाओ चलो स्टैंड सीखी और आपने कभी गाया नहीं, इट विल बी अ काइंड ऑफ ऑकवर्ड सिचुएशन फॉर यू, एंड दैट इज व्हाई बताना वही है जिसको आप लास्ट तक डिफेंड कर सकते. और अगर कहीं बीच में चूक है तो you will be trapped. The another point is that you are handling situational thing very good. आप ये जो खाना का ये जो फ्लाइट डिले हो रही थी, इस सिचुएशन को आप सही से हैंडल कर पा रही थी, अच्छा था. बट वाई गिव योर इंटरव्यू देते हुए आपने उस चीज़ को अपना इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया, अपनी बातें हो गई, अपना जो है कोई भी सवाल का जवाब हो गया, उसे ऑर्गेनाइज वे में नहीं कर पाए because of your lack of English communication and also lack of proper confidence. तो आप कहीं ना कहीं हकला रही थी, अटक रही थी, फंबल बोले. So you should maintain it and you should develop it, right? I hope you understand this.
Yes.
Thank you very much and may God bless you. We'll see you in the next mock interview, right? Have a good time and have a good day. Prove yourself what I have told you, right? Eye contact, eyes rolling. Eye contact is the main issue for you. Muskat, like your eyes were up and down sometimes, so you need to maintain that too. It's very, very important. Right, okay, it's about this. Have a good time.